welcome back to the workshop. Last week I made 2 black and white pieces in a double creation round. This week I'm introducing a new challenge to the series called the Off the Canvas Challenge. This week I'm going to be painting a wood desk, which is a work desk I've had since I was a kid. First step is I'm going to sand it down, and then I'm going to paint a sunset on top of the desktop. And then I'm going to paint the cabinets black, and we're going to use a variety of different colors. So this is the work desk that I've had since I was a kid. It's made of wood, and whenever you're painting wood, I always recommend get some sandpaper and sand it down first, and then start to apply your base coats. And that's what we're going to do first today. So let's get started. And my challenge is complete. My work desk certainly is an improvement over what it looked like last time, and I'm not planning on selling this online. It's just something for me to have in the future when I'm working on my laptop and doing editing. I really like sunsets, and that's something that inspires me. I was planning to get this project done in 2 episodes, and I was surprised that I got it done in 1. So for my next project, I will be creating a mixed media piece called the Space Station. Cannot wait to show you guys what I have in store. We will see you on the next episode.